Welcome once again to English video. In the last video, I had sent you poem lesson number 10, The Railway Junction. Okay, so now we have completed the glossary, the explanation part, the question answers, some objectives, and writing skill. I told you I will be posting, but now I found it that this should be written on your own. For example, here they have discussed one writing skill. Same you have to write with your own skill. Okay. Name of the city, country you have visited. They have visited Melanesia in the South Pacific Ocean, Fiji Islands. How to reach there? Air Pacific adult fare 40,000, Pan American Airlines 38,000 from India, Australian Airways 13,500 adult fare from Australia. Climate warm tropical climate perfect for beachside holidays. What to wear? Bathing suits, shorts, t-shirts. What to see? Revel in 5-star Fiji resort. Stroll on glimmering white beaches. Hand in hand at sunset. Snorkel, dive, surf or kayak in pristine water. White water raft in clear and clean waterways. Cruise the ocean around mainland. Means you have to roam around the ocean, around the mainland, and different types of dives are there, all enjoying in water boats and all that. And any other information, Fiji Islands are a perfect holiday destination for everyone, dreamer, adventures, fun seekers, lovers, divers, backpackers, family naturalists, etc. Okay, so in the same way, you have to write the name of city or country you have visited. This is a travelogue बोलते हैं इसको. Travelogue आपको prepare करना है. Travelogue एग्ज़ाम में भी आ सकता है. So you have to prepare the name of city, country, how to reach there, the country or city which you have mentioned, its climate, what to wear, what to see, any other information. Write a brief note on what you enjoy most when traveling, and write down a list of things that you did by the way of preparation before traveling. Means if you are going out of country, you have to prepare for visa and all that. So depending upon the city or country you choose, you have to write. I hope this you will all do. And next is your test your grammar skill by adding ly. Okay, so that is suffix. Friends, we have discussed about prefix and suffix. Suffix is the after the word, if you add any like ly, et, something, if you add anything, that is suffix. And before the word, if you add anything, it is able. If you say unable, un is prefix. And for able you can add dis also, so it will be disable, है ना. Continue, continuously, if you add ly, then it will be suffix. So Meena sang sweetly. The little boy answered all the questions correctly, quietly. Okay. Ramesh pushed the door open slowly. Phone kept ringing continuously. Janvi plays the guitar softly, melodiously, melancholily. Anything you can write. Janvi plays the guitar melodiously. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं आप. Underline the adverb in the following sentences. The boy will arrive soon. Arrive is verb. So दोस्तों सबसे पहले ये जान लीजिए what is adverb. Adverb is a word which qualifies verb. वर्ब को जो क्वालिफाई करता है वो एडवर्ब है. तो एडवर्ब क्या करता है? हाउ द एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन, दैट इज शोन बाय एडवर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बॉयज विल अराइव सून. तो व्हेन विल द बॉयज अराइव? सून. द बर्ड्स फ्ल्यू अवे क्विकली. हाउ डिड द बर्ड्स फ्ल्यू? फ्ल्यू इज वर्ब. क्विकली, क्विकली इज एडवर्ब. और दोस्तों ज़्यादातर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम एडवर्ब विल एंड विथ ly. That is to be noted point. Soup was very spicy. She hugged her son lightly. Spicy is adverb. Hugged her son lightly. Audience applauded loudly. Now it's fun with vocabulary. Look at the phrases. Tunneled gloom. Tunneled gloom means gloom is sadness. Tunneled gloom means tunnel is a big way to cross na. So lengthy sadness, इसका मतलब होता है सैडनेस बहुत दिन तक जो रहती है उसको टनल्ड ग्लूम मीन्स लेंदी सैडनेस बोलते हैं. पेलली ग्रीन डिसअपॉइंटिंग नॉट फ्रेश. अपॉइंटेड आर एग्जैक्ट टाइम. नॉक्टर्नल हिल्स एट नाइट इन डिस्पेयर. darkening hills dark future. So they have told you that the underlined word are descriptive in nature. Can you figure out the meaning of these each of these phrases? So here this lesson ends, friends. Beyond the text we are not doing always, but if you want you can do. Have you traveled long distances by any of what was your experience like? You have traveled by car. एस तो एक्सपीरियंस, नो तो कुछ नहीं. बस एस तो एक्सपीरियंस, नो तो नथिंग. लाइक दैट इफ एस इज देयर यू हैव टू राइट योर एक्सपीरियंस दैट इट वॉज थ्रिलिंग, इट वॉज एक्साइटिंग, इट वॉज अमेजिंग. लाइक दैट यू हैव टू राइट योर एक्सपीरियंस अबाउट योर ट्रैवल विथ एरोप्लेन, शिप, बस, कार. लाइक दैट दिस यू कैन डू इन योर लीजर टाइम. फ्री टाइम में आप कर सकते हो. फ़िलहाल मैं आपको ग्रामर के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानकारी देना चाहती हूँ, एडवर्ब के बारे में. कम टू लेसन नंबर 24 इन ग्रामर बुक, बिकॉज इन दिस एवरी फन विथ ग्रामर वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन डिटेल. सो नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू एडवर्ब्स. चिल्ड्रन प्लीज पे अटेंशन. आई एम सेंडिंग यू दिस वीडियो ऑन 4th, so you have to complete the homework putting that date only. First of all, listen to the video carefully. Kinds of adverb. There are several kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, time, place, etc. So manner, what it will tell, how the thing is done, quickly, neatly, carefully, well, sometimes not well, sometimes ugly, like that. Examples. If it is a adverb of a place, where, here, there, outside, upstairs, above, below, everything will come in that. That tells us that it's a adverb of a place. Time, when, now, then, today, yesterday, soon. Adverb of frequency, how often. She comes sometimes, she comes weekly, she comes rarely, she always comes, she often comes, she usually comes, she never comes, she ever comes, she comes quietly, almost, very rarely, ratherly, fairly, like that, etc., etc. will tell us that the particular adverb is an adverb of frequency. You might have been asked in the exam, underline the verb and state its kind. So you have to underline the adverb quickly, and then while stating you have to tell that it is an adverb of manner. Degree, how much, completely, wholly, partially, like that. So it will tell us the degree of adverb. There are also interrogative and relative adverbs. Where, when, how, why are used in asking about place, time, manner, etc. Where is the remote control? Now where is a particular adverb, but it is an interrogative adverb. When, it is also whenever the sentence ends with question mark and you have been to find out the adverb, then you can say it as an interrogative adverb. If suppose where comes in between the sentence, that is the hospital where I had my operation, then it is a relative adverb. If where comes, if WH word comes in the beginning of the sentence and the sentence ends with question mark, then definitely it is interrogative adverb, friends. And whenever WH word comes in between the sentence, like That is the hospital where I had my operation. I can never forget the day when we first met. I don't understand the reason why he was upset. So like that, if in between सेंटेंस के इन बिटवीन अगर एडवर्ब आता है, अगर WH वर्ड आता है, तो जब उसको रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन करके कहना पड़ता है. वही अगर स्टार्टिंग में है तो इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन, वही अगर बीच में है तो इट्स रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. आई होप यू हैव ऑल अंडरस्टूड दिस. नाउ comparison of adverbs. We use same structure when we make comparison using adjective and adverb. See the previous unit. Nikhil ran as fast as Sandeep. As fast as. This is comparison of adverb. He ran. How he ran? As fast as Sandeep. As fast as is comparison of adverb. I can do crossword as quickly as you do. म्हणजे आपके जितना ही मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. भास्कर रैन फास्टर दैन निखिल. भास्कर कैसे भागा? फास्टर दैन निखिल. निखिल डिड नॉट रन एज फास्ट एज भास्कर. ओके, दिस इज कंपैरेटिव. सुपरलेटिव में से फास्ट, फास्टर, फास्टेस्ट. तो फास्टर इज कंपैरेटिव एंड इट इज चेंज्ड इनटू पॉजिटिव. तो हाउ टू चेंज इट इनटू पॉजिटिव? भास्कर रैन फास्टर दैन निखिल इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. दैन भी आया और फास्ट का फास्टर भी हो गया, सो इट इज़ अ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू चेंज द सेम इनटू पॉजिटिव, तो व्हाट यू शुड राइट? निखिल डिड नॉट रन एज फास्ट एज भास्कर. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज Anil drives more carefully than Robert. Robert does not drive as carefully as Anil. Sanjay ran fastest, the fastest of all. With adverbs, the before superlative can be omitted. With adverbs, the before superlatives can be omitted. अगर आप सुपरलेटिव के पहले द नहीं लगाते हैं तो चलता है एडवर्ब में. एडवर्ब में ओनली. विनय वर्क्स हार्डेस्ट इन द ऑफिस. मेरी स्पीक्स इंग्लिश मोस्ट फ्लुएंटली ऑफ ऑल द गर्ल्स. आई कांट हियर यू. कुड यू स्पीक लाउडर, मोर लाउडली? लाइक दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन से. कुड यू स्पीक लाउडर? वी वॉक फास्टर एंड फास्टर. He drove more and more slowly. Make most adverb take more and most. Neatly, more neatly, most neatly. Skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully. Doesn't mean that all adjectives are like that. One syllable adverb, fast, hard, late, soon, long, take er and est. Question may arise. Most of the adverb take most, more and most, much more, most it is. So one syllable adverb. One syllable means one vowel. One vowel adverb mostly take er or est. Most of them are both adjective and adverb. Hard, harder, hardest. Soon, sooner, soonest. Long, longer, longest. Note that adverb early, two syllable. E and A. Adverb early, two syllable word takes er, est. Early, earlier, earliest. So why you have to remove and add IER in comparative and IEST in superlative degree. For early, because it is having two syllable and ends with Y. So whenever you find any adjective or verb, adverb ends with Y, you have to add for IER and IEST for comparative and superlative degree. The adverbs well, badly and far have irregular comparison. Well, better, best. जैसे good, better, best. Badly, worse, worst. far, farther, farthest. Far, further, furthest भी होता, far, farther, farthest भी होता, depends upon the tense. The forms farther, further and farthest, furthest express distance. They are used as adjectives. They are used as adjectives and adverb. Bengaluru is further away than Mysore. I walked further than you. So it's a adverb. So moving to next page, that is page number 96. You have to remove also page number 96, friends. Now further, furthest but not farther, farthest can express quantity. It can mean more. It can mean more. Are there any further question? Are there any more questions like that? So further is used in the sense of mean more. I was ill and couldn't work further means here it is adverb. Why? How couldn't I work? I couldn't work further. Further म्हणजे anymore. Stands same, but sometimes it is used as adjective, sometimes it is used as adverb. Position of adverb. Adverb of manner are often put after verb or after the object if there is one. She danced beautifully. He types quickly. Fred speaks English well. Object is there. Usually it will be after the verb or after the object. Fred speaks English. English is object here. Fred is subject and speaks is verb. So after object, well is adjective. Okay. Well is adverb of manner. He drove the car carefully. The car is object. But how did he drive the car? He drove the car carefully. Now adverb of time and place are usually put after the verb. He has arrived today. The boys are sitting there. I saw Suresh yesterday. Adverb of time, adverb of place. Today also adverb of time. And put the book here, again adverb of place. If there are two or more adverbs or adverb phrases after a verb and its object, the most usual order is adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. He spoke well at the meeting. I must go there tomorrow. She sang well at the function last night. So adverb of frequency are usually placed between the subject and verb if the verb consists of only one word. He often comes late. He never tells lie. We sometimes play chess. So these are all the adverb of frequency. Often, never, sometimes. These are adverb of frequencies. Okay. If there is more than one word in the verb, adverb of frequency are placed after the first word. Means we have often been to Simla. More than one word in the verb. So, our team has never been beaten. He doesn't usually smoke. You have always been told not to do that. So friends, but if the verb is am, is, are, was, were, these are verbs. You know that is, am, are, was, were. These are helping verbs. These adverbs are placed after the verb. He is always busy. Busy is verb placed after the verb. He is verb and always is adverb. Busy is adjective. I am never late for school. Am Am is also verb. So I am never. Never is adverb. Late for school. Late is adjective. The following adverb have the same position of adverb frequency, just, nearly, almost, already, quite, rather, still, also. I already know him. He has just gone out. I have almost finished my work. He is still in the office. These are the adverb we can use in the form of sentences. Children, you have to make note down of everything. You have to read it again. When an adverb modifies an adjective or another adverb, the adverb usually comes before it. The book is very interesting. Very is what? Adverb. Adverb of kya? Very is adverb of manner. Gopi is rather dull. You have answered the question quite well. He speaks too fast to be understood. But enough is always placed after the adjective or adverb which modifies. The tea isn't hot enough. She didn't work quickly enough. Now you have to do this exercise, page number 97. This has been given as a homework in the video. Page number 97. Friends, if you have completed earlier, it's okay. If you have not completed, please do. I am noting down the homework as 4/12. So you have to write the same date in the book. So shall I discuss one example with you? Usha types dash than Uma. Carefully than Uma. More careful, most careful, more careful. Most. Superlative and comparative. So Usha types more carefully than Uma. Most नहीं आएगा क्योंकि comparative है उमा और उषा में. Which of the boy in the class sings most well? Now this is superlative. Prices have been rising faster than incomes. The income and prices are being compared. So faster than income. Like that you have to try to complete, friends. If you don't understand, you can call me, you can message me. Till then, have a good day and complete these things.